Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add props and items to your house in Brookhaven. So I'm just going to go to this room here, and you are going to just go to the tool section. Then once you're done, you're going to open up the props and you're going to select props again. Then you're going to select the one you want. I'm just going to select this makeup table maybe. This one. And then I'm just going to place it here like that. And that is it for this video. You can also place something else, maybe like these roses. Just select it and place it on anywhere you want it to be. And yeah, that is how you can place props and items in Brookhaven. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.